Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look finally on the gold market. So in previous reports we mostly discussed the Great British Pound, and today this gold market also shows the reaction on some results of the G20 meeting. I can see that pullback has started to the downside, and actually market, well, not quite, but mostly has reached the level that we have predefined. So this is the first support. It stands 1376. The fib level itself has not been hit yet. Mostly because market right now hits the overbought. So overbought prevents market from the further drop and stands here, shows minor pullback here. At the same time, in fact, on the daily chart we have something that looks like the bread and butter trade, but market hasn't completed all conditions because chart Napoli demands that market should hit the fib level. But here we see that market hasn't quite reached it. At the same time, by its nature, market shows not really bad thrust up. This is first retracement down, and I'm not exclude the chance that market really could show some deeper retracement. Also, guys, as you remember, we keep in mind the major target. It stands above the market, 1450, and it's really big doubts on the durability of this retracement, because I am not exclude the chance that gold market could rally and hit the OP target before the major retracement will start. So that could be just temporal pullback, the profit taken before the G20 meeting last week that has started here, and that's a reaction on some relief on the major driving factors. So this is the China tariff discussion, so should be reestablished. Some relief in the United States-Iran conflict that was standing the last week on the market, and here we see some drop. But from the technical point of view, this retracement right now looks like the trap, and it's more probable. So if I would like to take the short position, I would wait for hitting the major OP target, because as we know, this is not just the daily target, but this is also the monthly target and big butterfly 107 extension on the weekly monthly chart. It also stands at 1450. That's the major point that we should keep an eye on if you'd like to go short. This in turn shows this retracement with a quite different view, because if we would suggest that market should hit 1450, this pullback could be great opportunity for taking the long position because of this target, because market right from here could run right to this area. So this is also possible. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we see that ABCD pattern has been completed. So market stands in wide confidence support 1365. Here is 1373, but on the daily this is 1376. It's very close to this area. Shows some pullback. Actually, we have the Gartler's triple to buy here stands in place. Well, in general, we could say the same thing as in today's Euro video. Here's not really bad setup stance, but if you would like to go long, it's better to wait for some clear bullish patterns that could be formed maybe on the hourly chart or lower. Because here you can see market has completed ABCD, right? The OP market has unfilled gap here as well. So the chance that it could be closed with these upper directions exist on the market. But right now, at this point, we do not see some clear bullish patterns, bullish reversal patterns that could starting the upper direction. On the 4-hour time frame chart, XOP of this ABCD pattern stands slightly below the 1365 area. In the current circumstances, well, market could drop here, but somehow I think that maybe it could float around 1365, 1376 area, and then it needs to show reaction on this support. Some reaction should follow based on this Gartler's triple to 30% pullback here really could happen and market could close the gap. So that's why, well, if you would like to go long, you could consider this setup that market has right now on the gold on this 4-hour time frame chart. Besides, market right now stands at the oversold on the daily chart, so it provides additional protection. You could place relatively tight stop. So that's at least something that we have, and some pullback, technical pullback in respect of the oversold, in respect of the support should follow. So at least minor pullback here has not bad chances to happen. And after that, we will see what will follow next.